Want to create your Whitebit account in less than 5 minutes and unlock the full power of crypto trading? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from signing up to completing KYC quickly and easily. WITBIT is one of Europe's leading crypto exchanges, trusted by millions of users worldwide. With over 600 trading pairs, strong security, and high liquidity, Whitebit is the perfect platform to start your crypto journey. Why sign up and verify? By signing up and completing KYC, you'll unlock fiat deposits and withdrawals, raise your withdrawal and trading limits, access more products like futures, lending, staking, and Whitebit Earn. And most importantly, your account will be safer and easier to recover if anything happens. How to sign up? Here's how to create your Whitebit account in just a few minutes. Click the sign up link in the description. This is important because registering with my affiliate link gives you exclusive discounts, special bonuses, and entry into invite-only competitions. Enter your email and create a strong password or sign up instantly with Google or Apple. Accept the terms and conditions, and confirm you're not from a restricted country. Check your inbox and enter the 4-digit verification code to confirm your email. That's it, your Whitebit account is ready, and by using the link below, you're now part of an exclusive community with promotions, trading competitions, and private events. How to complete KYC next? Let's complete the KYC process. Log in, go to Account Settings and click Verification. Choose your country of residence. Enter your personal details such as full name and date of birth. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID or passport. Take a selfie or complete a short liveness video for facial recognition. For full verification, add your residential address and upload a proof of address like a utility bill. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. After approval, you'll have access to all Whitebit features, including fiat services, with KYC versus without KYC. You're limited to basic trading and lower withdrawal limits. With KYC, you can deposit and withdraw fiat, unlock higher limits, and enjoy the full range of Whitebit products. It's always the smarter choice. Make sure your documents are valid, clear, and up to date. If your verification fails, check the reason, correct the issue, and try again. Don't just sign up the smart way. By clicking the link in the description and registering with my referral code, you'll get an affiliate discount, automatic entry into special trading competitions, and access to invite-only events. You'll also join our exclusive community with promotions, bonuses, and insider opportunities you won't find anywhere else. Hit that link right now, create your Whitebit account, complete your KYC, and start enjoying all the rewards today. Enjoy trading, you set the level. Thanks for watching this Whitebit sign-up tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Your crypto journey starts today. See you on Whitebit.